Are you someone who is struggling for interview, or are you someone who is thinking what to talk and what not to talk during the interview? If the answer is yes, my dear friend, then stay tuned till the end of the video. We are going to discuss multiple phases of interview. So if I talk about multiple phases, there are three phases of an interview. Those phases we are going to discuss in detail. So, number one phase is pre-interview. Now, what does mean pre-interview? Pre-interview means, let's suppose you got the call from the recruiter and the interview is scheduled maybe tomorrow or day after or maybe the next day. Then what to do today? So this is the phase 1. What to do today is the phase 1. Now what to do today? Today you have to do research. This is called pre-interview. So in the pre-interview there are different tasks which you have to do. So number 1, you have to do the research. Now what kind of research? You have to check the organization detail. You have to log into their website, check their contact us, their mission, their vision, their about us, and this research you can do on the website. On the other side, you can do the research on their social handle in the sense their Twitter profile, their Facebook profile, their LinkedIn page, these things, their recent update, their daily update, you need to check in their research section. And number 3 is important research which you have to check their profile is listed, their company is listed in Ministry of Corporate Affairs or not. So if you want to check how to identify Ministry of Corporate Affairs things, there is already video available in the channel. Go ahead and check that. So these are the three phases of research, and we are still in phase 1, pre-interview. Number 2, pre-interview. Number 2, you should have 3 set of resume. If you are going for physical interview, face-to-face interview, you should have 3 set of resume. Now you will ask, why 3? So 1 set of resume for the recruiter, another set of resume is for you, and the third set of resume is for the backup. You should have one backup always. 3 set of resume is mandatory. Number 2 and number 3, you must switch off your mobile phone before even appearing into the interview. You must switch off your mobile phone. Yes. So I'll repeat. Number 1, you should do the proper research. Number 2, you should have 3 set of resume. Number 3, you must switch off your mobile phone. And number 4, never ever be late. Don't be late during the interview. Let's suppose interview is planned for 10 o'clock. You try reaching by 9:45, 9:30. Don't reach too early also, right? And last but not the least, very important part, before going for any interview, you cross check your social handle profile, cross check your social media profile. All social media profile should be cleaned. There should not be any toxic post, there should not be any negative post which you have done, there should not be any negative share which you have done. Or else, let's suppose I am a recruiter, I am checking your profile and I have seen that you have shared something toxic, you have shared something negative. So I might be in the impression that you may spoil my current organization culture also. So clean up your social media before going for interview. So these are the 4-5 tips for pre-interview. And let's talk about during the interview. During the interview, it is in the 3 to 4 phases. Number 1, your first impression is your last impression. So when I talk about first impression, it means you have to look presentable. You must be look presentable. Your By the way you walk, by the way you talk, by the way you present yourself, these things should be presentable. Number one. And number two, your eye contact, your body language, the way you speak, everything matter during the interview. The confidence level which you have, and you should know very well about your skill set. You should know very well about your previous experience, your background, your story. You should have very strong, positive and implemented story. When I say implemented story, what does it mean? You might have encountered something which you yourself got inspired, or the people in your team got inspired, and you have done the commendable job in the previous organization, in your previous life. So this you can consider during your interview. I'll repeat, your the way you the way you express yourself, your first impression, the way you walk, the way you talk, your eye contact, your handshake, everything matters. And last but not the least, you should know your pitch. You should know about your introduction. You should not tell me about yourself in 1 minute. Your 1 minute pitch is very, very, very important. And in follow up this, never ever bring your salary discussion during the interview by yourself, or in the first or second phase of interview. When I say first and second phase, let's suppose you are in the interview, not pre-interview, not post-interview. You are in the interview, you are talking to the recruiter. Let's suppose the interview planned for 30 minutes, you are not supposed to talk for your salary till next 20 minutes. 80% of time you have to pass by the actual interview discussion. Never ever discuss about salary by yourself. Let them talk about salary, and you should know what is your worth. So how you will check your worth, there is already video available in my YouTube channel. Go ahead and check that, how to know your worth during the interview, or before, even after the interview. So this is the section of during the interview. We have discussed pre-interview, we have discussed during the interview, and now last but not the least, let's discuss about after the interview. But before I discuss after the interview, let me summarize what we have discussed in pre-interview and what we have discussed during the interview. So for the pre-interview, you should do proper research. You should check their mission, their vision, their about us, their contact us, their salary structure. These things you should know very well before even appearing into the interview. You must switch off your phone. You have to dress properly. And if it is face to face, then try to reach early, at least 15 to 20 minutes before the schedule. You will get the time to prepare yourself. So don't be late, give yourself a time. And if I talk about during the interview, so during the interview it's very simple: behavior, skill set, and then money. Behavior, the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you present, your eye contact, your handshake, everything matters. And then tell me about yourself, about your skill, about your strength, about your weakness. You should know very well. And then last but not the least, don't discuss about salary in at least 80% time of the interview. Last but not the least, never ever ever forget to send thank you note or thank you email to the recruiter. And if you are sending personalized thank you note, it is wonder. It will create wonder if you are sending personalized thank you note. Let's suppose you have met with the recruiter name X. So you will mention in the thank you note by the name of X. You have to personalize the experience which you have shared during the interview. Your happy moment if it is there in the interview. And never ever 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 talk negative about anything, your previous organization, your current experience, your current salary. No negative talk. If they are provoking you also to talk negative, you have to present yourself in a positive way. We are discussing these things in our mock interview session, so you might consider to join this again free mock interview session, which is happening on 28th of August. And last but not the least, never ever forget to send thank you mail, thank you note, and never ever ever tweet, never ever post that you have done the interview with this organization. Whatever the experience, positive, negative, good, bad, don't care. Don't even post anything about your recent interview in social media just after the interview. Recruiter might be checking on you, so please avoid that. These are the pre-interview, during the interview, and post-interview tips. So this is actually golden nugget which I got from my coach, which I have implemented, which I'm sharing with you. And last but not the least, my dear friend, you will be getting interview call only when you have a strong resume with you. And to get a strong resume, I have created an amazing template which is 100% free and 100% ATS proof. What is ATS? And automatic tracking system. It is anti-robotic protocol. To ATS proof resume, you must consider to download the resume template from the given below link in the description. Download the link, download the resume, create your amazing resume template. You can share it with me. Further review, I would love to help you. Thank you so much guys. Keep learning, keep signing. All the best. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.